Hydrogen ions, acids and bases A. Hydrogen ions, H+. 1. Vital role in the body. Hydrogen ions are crucial for regulating the pH of body fluids. The concentration of these ions directly affects the acidity or alkalinity of bodily fluids, which is essential for maintaining the body's normal physiological processes. A small deviation in the concentration of hydrogen ions can lead to serious health issues. 2-point pH scale. The pH scale measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. It ranges from 1 to 14, where a pH of 7 is considered neutral. A pH lower than 7 indicates an acidic environment, while a pH higher than 7 signifies alkalinity. OPH is expressed logarithmically, meaning that each whole number on the scale represents a 10-fold change in hydrogen ion concentration. For example, a solution with a pH of 5 has 10 times more hydrogen ions than a solution with a pH of 6. 3. Hydrogen ion. Concentration in the body. The hydrogen ion concentration in the body's fluids determines whether the environment is acidic, alkaline, or neutral. This balance is vital for enzyme function, cellular activities, and overall metabolic processes. Normal pH of body fluids. The body's blood pH is maintained within a narrow range of 7.35 to 7.45. A deviation outside this range can lead to conditions like acidosis, pH less than 7.35, or alkalosis, pH greater than 7.45, both of which can disrupt metabolic processes and lead to severe health complications. B. Acids first. Production and role in metabolism. Acids are produced as byproducts of various metabolic processes in the body. For example, carbon dioxide, CO2, from cellular respiration combines with water, H2O, to form carbonic acid, H2CO3, which dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions, HCO3-1. The production of acids is a natural consequence of the body's metabolic activities. 2. Composition O acids contain hydrogen ions, H+. These hydrogen ions are what give acids their characteristic properties, such as sour taste and the ability to lower pH when added to a solution. 3. Acids as hydrogen ion donors, O acids, are often referred to as proton donors because they release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. By donating hydrogen ions, acids can neutralize bases, decreasing their strength or potentially forming a weaker base. This interaction is part of the body's mechanism for maintaining pH balance. Example. In the stomach, hydrochloric acid, HCl, is secreted to aid digestion. This acid donates hydrogen ions, which break down food and kill harmful pathogens. C. Bases first. Absence of hydrogen. Ions unlike acids, bases do not contain hydrogen ions. Instead, they tend to have hydroxide ions, OH-, or other negative ions capable of accepting hydrogen ions. 2. Bases as hydrogen ion acceptors, O bases, are known as proton acceptors. When a base encounters an acid, it accepts hydrogen ions from the acid, neutralizing its effect. This reaction helps buffer the body against changes in pH, keeping the internal environment stable. Example. In the blood, bicarbonate, HCO3-, acts as a buffer, accepting excess hydrogen ions to prevent the blood from becoming too acidic. 3. Normal serum bicarbonate levels. In healthy individuals, the concentration of bicarbonate ions in the blood, which acts as a base, typically ranges from 21 to 28 milliequivalents per liter, 21 to 28 millimoles per liter. Bicarbonate plays a key role in maintaining the blood's pH by neutralizing excess hydrogen ions. D. Acid-base balance 1. Buffer systems. The body uses several buffer systems to maintain pH homeostasis, with the bicarbonate buffer system being the most important. It regulates pH by balancing the levels of bicarbonate, HCO3-, and carbonic acid, H2CO3, in the blood. O. When the body becomes too acidic, acidosis, bicarbonate ions bind with excess hydrogen ions, neutralizing them. Conversely, if the body becomes too alkaline, alkalosis, carbonic acid dissociates to release hydrogen ions, lowering the pH. 2. Respiratory and renal compensation. The respiratory system helps regulate pH by adjusting the levels of CO2 in the blood. Breathing more rapidly expels CO2, decreasing acid levels, while slower breathing retains CO2, increasing acidity. O. The kidneys help regulate pH by excreting or conserving hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions, thus playing a critical role in long-term pH balance. This expanded version ensures that students preparing for the AIIMS exam can grasp the concepts in detail. By understanding the role of hydrogen ions, acids, and bases in maintaining the pH balance of the body, they can also better appreciate the mechanisms of metabolic processes and the importance of maintaining homeostasis.